SwiftHeal is an electronic portable device created by Shazeb as an alternative to an existing but highly expensive product that poor people in rural areas cannot afford. SwiftHeal helps out in healing injury or surgery wounds swiftly. It provides protection from further getting infected and helps in recovering the wound quickly. The advantage of SwiftHeal is that it is cost-efficient and provides unlimited working access, while the other existing product works only for 7 days. Shazeb's project will help people to cut costs and save the money that they would spend on hospital healthcare or on other devices. Clever Home is an electronic tool designed by Naomi, a young electrical engineer and entrepreneur living in Cameroon. This electronic tool provides comfort and e-control of electricity consumption. It has a home automation feature to know everywhere and at any time the state of electric equipment and to command them remotely through a smartphone. It helps to know consumption habits, to receive instant alerts straight to the phone about excessive levels of consumption compared to a predefined budget, and alarming statuses of appliances such as lights left on at abnormal hours, and to ensure safety. Naomi is convinced that women can work as good as men, especially in domains such as engineering and tech. She's determined in making an impact in these fields and inspiring other women to do the same. NSSL is an innovative startup by Sheetal that aims to provide a unique way to carry asthma inhalers. NSSL device will serve as a miniature inhaler fitted within a watch, which is easy to carry, light-weighted and effective to use. The unavailability of an asthma pump during a sudden asthma attack can be addressed by NSSL through the modification added to the wristwatch. This will help people in cases of sudden emergencies. The device will have markings to show the level of the liquid in the inhaler. WARIDI project, implemented by Youth Changers Kenya, seeks to increase knowledge levels of key gatekeepers on sexual and gender-based violence to provide girls with practical self-defense skills, train human rights champions who report abuse cases, and to offer psychosocial support to the victims of abuse. WARIDI project employs a systemic process which is innovative. It uses soccer and dance, and a leadership model that is for the youth and by the youth. It works towards achieving SDG 5 in Kenya. Kritika is a 19-year-old student that desires to use her skills to help people and to impact the field of medicine for the better. She insists that in India there is a need to spread awareness on cardiopulmonary resuscitation as a medical intervention. People should associate CPR with medical science rather than with social constructs of women and men bodies. For every minute that passes without CPR, cardiac arrest chances of survival decreases between 7% and 10%. Kritika's idea suggests that CPR should be made an integral part of education curricula so that every child knows the way to give it. Educating people will also check for gender biases which arise in giving CPR to women, as most public places are male-dominated. Upcyclers' idea by Nima Mati proposes a solution to a chronic problem: poor sanitation and waste management in slum communities. Upcyclers is a social enterprise that hopes to impact the community directly by providing employment and reducing the number of slums. Tanzania reported the third highest slum growth rate in Africa. The main objective of NEMA's initiative is to save lives and pay tribute to the lives lost because of diseases like typhoid and cholera. Upcyclers aims to help to achieve environmental sustainability and increasing recycling activities while educating and providing employment to the community members. NEMA strongly believes that when people work hard, they can achieve anything. An estimated 253 million people live with vision impairment, 36 million are blind, and 217 million have moderate to severe vision impairment, WHO. These numbers motivated Omar to develop CardioVision, a pair of low-cost glasses that help the visually impaired people to practice daily activities without the need of help from others. CardioVision includes a camera that helps to identify the objects that surround the user and especially the color of the traffic light. The information is communicated through an earpiece. The other element of the glasses is an ultrasound sensor that warns about possible obstacles. The main feature of CardioVision is the possibility of developing the glasses so they can recognize faces and identify people. Shadi Al-Zubi built WaterWatt to generate electricity from water flow inside pipes. During his visits to refugee camps and remote areas, Shadi noticed a high need for electricity and an increased proportion of plastic waste. He thought about a device that solved both problems in an environmentally friendly way. WaterWatt produces 600 watts to 1 kilowatt-hour for 3.5 inches, twice the solar cell output, and can be used above ground or underground because it does not corrode. Up to 65% of the device will be manufactured from recycled plastic. WaterWatt will reduce the cost of electricity in homes, large buildings, pools, and water parks, as well as the percentage of plastic waste.